Hi guys, today's tutorial is about how to make your PC or laptop run faster. One of the most common reasons for a slow computer is programs running in the background. Now, here are the quick ways to boost your laptop's speed. Let's click here at the start button and then type run. Click that and it will open this small dialog box. Type in percent and the word temp and then percent at the end. Click OK. Then select all that is inside that folder. Then delete. For others that is not being deleted, it means that it's still being used in the background because I still have open browsers and I still have an open software. Now let's close that, and the next step is again start and then run. Click on that and then type prefetch. Since I have been using this, it will go automatically, and then again the same process, select all and delete. You just have to skip this and click on this. Do this for all current items, then skip, so not keep coming back on the same action. Now close it. Then last but not the least is again start, then disk cleanup. It is suggested that you run a disk cleanup at least once a month. This will delete temporary files, empty recycle bin, and remove a variety of system files that you no longer need. So as you can see the drive name. It's drive C, so you click on OK. So all you have to do when it opens is to select all that is inside these box. When you do this on your own, you will see what's inside of it, and obviously in this tutorial it shows just the same. So click OK and it will confirm the deletion. Click on delete files and it will delete the files. Now, in today's high-tech, fast-paced world, we all know how frustrating it is when our computers are running slowly and our time is wasted in waiting. Reducing unnecessary files on your hard disk to free up disk space, your computer can run faster. You as the user will especially notice the difference.